As soon as them leave to the secret ground, then you can have a drink.
I'm here, guys. I'm here at the annual Maroon Festival, held January 6th each year to commemorate the signing of the peace treaty between the British and the Maroons, Captain Codjoe, here, right here in Accompong St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. I understand they're gonna have all kind of fun stuff, traditional dancing, traditional drumming, storytelling, food, everything in between. And I'm gonna share the highlights with you. If though, for whatever reason you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join us now. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on these and all the amazing, beautiful stuff I share from Jamaica. Let's go to the annual Accompong Maroon Festival. Alright guys, guess what? Guess who I run into? Lorna. She said Lorna Williams. One of my favorite ardent subscriber here. Big up, Lorna, say something, say something.
Accompong Town is where my father original from, and he explained to me and tell me my father passed away already now. He'd have been about 100 and had now if he was still alive. So I support the Accompong Town. I love it. I love my heritage.
Finding your roots.
I find in my roots.
Big up Lorna, guys. Big up Lorna Williams right now. All right. Food, guys. Look at food. Look at food. Ready food and some festival here. Fish yourself. All right, my boss. Big up yourself. All right. I tell you something, guys. Yes, my brother. Lots and lots and lots and lots of food, man. Fish, food, fish, soup, corn. Woo! And liquor, drinks, liquor, food. Man, I want that. Pork? Yes. Big so? Yes. Nah. Nice. Wow, looking good. Serious pork, that you know, man. Take a picture, man. Take a picture. Serious pork, this man. A regular hog, this regular pork. Okay. Jerk chicken here, guys. Soup again. Some people here, guys, doing natural coffee. That.
Yes. It's a Maroon coffee. This is grown by one of the men in the compound here.
Yes. Ah, nice. Maroon coffee.
Yes,
so you just have stew, brew it up.
Yes, you just have a BKP.
Yeah.
Sketchy color.
Nice. Tell you what, guys, I tell you what. Food is no short at this place here, I tell you. Roots man. I got the roots man. Cherry, Nailsberry. Oh, this Reesberry.
Yeah.
All kind of root. Locust, cashew, Irish mash. Alright. Guys, guess who we're running to at the Accompong Maroon Festival?
DeeMwango. That is it, guys.
No,
you don't know the tingle?
No,
it's at the back.
Yeah, it's at the back.
Alright, guys.
Actually. Yeah, so let me ask you, how is it so far? I mean,
honestly, it's can I say, like, it's such an amazing experience to be here. Like, I've never seen something like this. My subscribers are like, D, you don't need to miss this. You're gonna see thousands of people, and honestly, it's such a thrilling experience. A lot of cooking, a lot of people, a lot of things going on. It's just amazing, and it's such an honor to experience this the first time in my life in Jamaica.
Do you see any similarity between back home and here? Because you know, our foreparents came straight from Africa. I mean, primarily Ghana.
Yeah, I can say, like, of course, the skin color, the people that I see here, nobody can even tell I'm a foreigner. They think I'm a Jamaican.
Yes, and then you got the thing.
Yeah, on my head.
Right here.
Yeah, assistant.
Let me switch the camera and say, guys, this is us now. Look out for the collab, right?
Yeah, so
come close.
We're gonna do a big collab and big up yourself. You're doing a good job.
And we have family. We have blood family.
Yes.
No joke. Yeah, man. So more to come.
He's the one that mommy was telling us. No.
You see the one
Mommy
family
Facey.
link up. So big up Mommy Michelle, big up.
Oh, yes. My auntie, I'm England.
Look out for the big collaboration.
All right, love you guys. Love you.
Thank you so much. Keep subscribing, Wagwan.
Love you.
Thank you.
I know, hold on, I know. What is your know?
I come from Portland.
I want to come from Portland.
Yeah, the one at Wild.
Alright, so we have a little tasting. This is the wild hog, my boss.
Yeah, from Portland.
Yeah.
Wild can't.
Boy, you get him. What you deal with him a way, man?
No, not really me, no. I hook them, I catch him. I chop what we use catch him.
The truck.
It chop. Yeah.
Oh, Portland hog.
Yeah, man.
Alright. I this.
Yeah, I'll give one taste.
Stop it, do I take a taste? The wild hog. Stop it, volunteer for the wild. What is your name, brother?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, my name, Mario, my name.
Alright, what you sell? I just yes, you sell otherwise or you sell around the place?
Yeah, here sir alone we sell, man.
In the village?
Yeah,
Accompong.
in the village. Yeah,
Alright, now we'll circle you back.
Yeah, man. We're right here, sir. Yeah,
alright, my boss.
Yeah,
Big up the man.
Yeah, man. Take care of yourself.
Yeah, my boss.
Max on one of their names. One of the over there, son.
Boy, when I deal with the hog, man, we did today.
No, man.
And if I hog, they hear about Maroon Festival, I'm supposed to get scared. All kind of product here, you know, guys. All kind of things. Nature's way. Yeah. Alright, guys, so heading to a place called Kindah. Kindah apparently means family. Alright, so a little hills and valleys. Morning. So we're heading over to that area to see the ceremonial stuff. Alright, guys, well, we're getting close and I'm seeing a lot of people. Don't want to miss it. This is the essence of it. Okay.
Yes.
Well, we're here, guys. We're here. Hard to see anything. Drumming is going on. Meanwhile, there's several things going on around the back there. There's something else that's happening behind there. People are walking to and from that area. Not sure what yet. Check it out. Another area down the bottom there. Not sure what's happening down there. But the drumming is on in earnest. Okay, so there's a cave here. Interesting. Look at this is a peace cave. Wow. Oh, so this is where the peace treaty was signed between the British. The peace cave down that side. Alright guys, so running to you're a Maroon.
Rastafarian.
You're a Rastafarian.
Yes.
Not a Maroon.
No, Rastafarian. It's my first time here. I'm just seeing the culture and just looking.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not even sure.
Yeah, Rastafarian sure a lot in common with the Maroons though.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
That's why I'm here, and it feels really beautiful to be here.
Yes.
And to just experience what they have to offer.
Where are you from? Which area?
I'm from St. Mary, really.
St. Mary. Yes. So you have your drum. I see.
Yes, this is the Nyabingi drum.
Nyabingi. So it's a Nyabingi group that is here.
Yeah, we have a little Nyabingi group, but you know a lot of Rasta from all over here.
Yes, all over is here. Love and thanks. All right, enjoy the day, man.
Thank you.
All right then. Running to another patron, guys. And this is
Christopher
from West
Belgium is more than I live in Sarah tomorrow.
Oh, Belgium.
Yes.
How did you get to learn about this place, man?
Oh, to listening actually a lot to the radio, every event to Radio African, to Miss Cabo actually.
Yes, yeah.
She teach me enough things about this place.
Wonderful. So it's the first time here?
No, man, it's my 13th time.
What?
I come down from 93 actually.
13 times?
Yes,
Guys, give, what's your name?
Christopher.
Give Christopher a big up right now. 13 times in Jamaica.
Yeah.
What is the first time at the...
No, it's the third time I come down over here, but the first time at the festival actually.
Yeah, the first time. Oh, the first time at the festival. What are you hoping to get from it? What's your expectation?
Well, me like to go travel in West Africa, so me just catch up a little bit the West African vibes. So
yes. Love and thanks. Love and thanks, man. Enjoy the rest of it.
Same.
All right, good. And there's no Maroon village, no Accompong without the herb. The one that's found on King Solomon's grave. So this drumming guy is clearly the key feature of the festival here. Like the captain himself. That's the captain actually. All right, so guys, I'm offered a drink.
Yes.
And this drink is what again?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. And what's the tradition behind it?
After you get the yam, then you can just get a drink to wash it down.
How many drinking no yam yet?
No, not as yet. Because they don't go to the secret ground as yet.
Oh, so we're going to go to the secret ground?
Yes.
Okay.
So, as soon as them leave to the secret ground, then you can have a drink.
All right. No, me I drink it now. Can
Right.
we?
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
Ah.
You want more again?
Nice.
Then I'm also
How you get them up
nice.
there? How you get it? Like they have fun culture time, man.
Yes.
All right, so you live here?
No, I live in Mandeville, but my grandmother is from here. My mother is from here.
Yeah,
Yes.
you have heritage here.
Yes.
So what's the significance of this event here?
The celebration
Yeah,
of Codjoe.
what's the significance of it? Why?
It is a celebration, like, you understand? Just like how you have the Christmas outside where we share with our family. Them.
Yeah.
This is our Maroon family.
Everybody here.
Maroon family.
And you said this tradition is your grandmother?
Yes, from my grandmother, my mother.
Your grandmother?
Yes, and this is my uncle girlfriend.
So your grandmother used to make the drinks and give everybody?
Yes, my grandmother used to do it. Then my mom.
And then your mom and then
me.
And then you.
Yeah.
So wherever you are in the world,
you
come back today.
Yes.
Go serve a drink.
Yes.
It's only
you call it bogoleman.
Bogoleman,
and sugar.
That's all.
Yes.
So orange. Sorry, you don't put the regular lime in there.
No lime.
No. Why not? Just because of tradition.
Just the tradition.
All right, love it. What's the name?
My name? Angela.
Big up Angela, guys. Big up Angela. Original Maroon. All right, good. Meanwhile, in an enclosed area, there's some interesting stuff going on. It's a huge pot, a pot bigger than, I would say probably about 10. Oh. All right, guys. So we're at an interesting segment. We're at an interesting segment when we are told that all phones should be off. All phones will be off. Now this is where it's gonna happen now. So we're gonna turn off the phone. We're gonna follow instructions. We're gonna turn off the phone. So there's a little pause right now, guys, as I think the Chief Curry has exited the drumming area and headed over to that side. Not sure what is happening over there, but apparently he left with some appears to be roasted yam and some other stuff. And we're told that we're not supposed to video that stuff. So they've gone over that side. Something apparently ceremonial. So we respect that. So that's why you see some people over there kind of looking over into that valley area there. So that's where he is with his team doing their stuff. All right. I got some additional information, guys. When the captain left with his crew, apparently they've gone to feed the ancestors, and so that's why they said no camera. They've gone way in the distance, so the rest of us stayed back here, but they're gone way over to feed the ancestors. All right, that's a part of the celebration. That's a part of the ritual here as well. I just heard a bunch of explosions over in the distance. A part of it, I guess, is a salute as well. Back at the center of attraction is the food time. Apparently, they're serving food, giving apparently the food. What is it? Pork and yam. Lucky pork. Okay. There's a lucky pork now. Anybody who get this get lucky. Lucky pork. All right, see, man. You have to eat it right here. You can't carry out. You get your lucky pork, my boss. Get your lucky pork. All right. All right. All right. Bless up. Pick up your lucky pork. All right. Now mind upon yourself, man. You're hard. You don't trust him. Lucky food time, guys. 1000's here trying to get a piece of their lucky pork and lucky roast yam. Well, what do you know, guys? Me get me piece of yam. Me get me piece of yam. And apparently, guys, this culminates this segment of the festival. The drumming and the chanting aspect of it, right? And the ceremonial feeding of the ancestors, which we were not able to show you. So people are heading back to the stage area where I understand the function will continue with presentations from different dignitaries and stuff like that. So I hope to catch you on that side, all right? All right, guys, I ran into one of the original Maroon man here, right here. See your name, brother?
Edwin Petty.
Edwin Petty.
Yeah.
All right, you're one of the drummers here, no?
Yeah, man. Leading drum player.
Leading drum player.
Gumbe.
Yeah, nice. You're born and grow yourself.
Yes, man.
Original Maroon.
Right.
Now ask a question, no beg now. All right, so tell me, what is the significance of the annual event here? Why we do it every year?
It's Codjoe's birthday.
Okay.
Codjoe was born on the 6th of January.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're celebrating birthday every year.
And for those who don't know Codjoe, who is, tell them now.
Is the town leader.
Yeah.
Fight the war and win the British.
Yeah, 1739, the treaty.
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to add something to it. And he was the leader, as you say.
Yeah.
And him signed the treaty.
Yeah.
The British give freedom.
And he have 5 brothers and 1 sister.
Yes, yes.
Codjoe.
Lovely. So how the vibes so far from where you see? What's the vibes? What's the energy like?
Yeah, energy nice, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So what we just had was it drumming and chanting.
Yeah.
And then I noticed the captain go down the bottom.
Yeah, feed the ancestors.
What else might happen today?
We're going to march and go out.
Go march out?
Yeah, and go down to the monument and lay a wreath.
Yeah,
and come back up to the parade ground where the official sermon took place.
All right. Bless up yourself.
Bless up.
One love.
Yes, sir. One love.
Here is a little drumming, guys. A little drumming and a dancing again. What's the drummer name? Alex. Pick up Alex. Live, man. Alright, so the procession, the march is taking place. The march has started. The chiefs and the followers are moving up. You notice the dress has changed. Look at the back, look at the back, look at the movement at the back. Maroon today. Here goes the marching clear road. Here goes the marching. So at this point, they're apparently heading now to the museum, guys. The museum. Still marching. Still a march. Still a march. There goes the marching, clear road though. Alright, and this, guys, is the museum. This is the treaty. Wait, so. Yeah, man. Yeah. This is, yeah, man. This is the treaty, the peace treaty. Captain Codjoe. All right, this is the museum. Let's see if there's anything here of interest, guys. Quickly. Oh, the Nations Cup. All right, lots of literature. The society, economy, political organization. See, bunch of information here. Oh, lots of awards, lots of trophies. Lots of information. If you want to learn a little about the history, a little about your culture, a little about the Jamaican culture, these are some drums here, right? All kind of information. Peace Cave, I think we passed close to that. Lots of history. There's an Islamic heritage. Interesting. Seal ground. Interesting. The old pot. Lots of artifacts here. Alright, there you go. Looks like a nice place to go come to get some, to do like a school or heritage tour. The old pot, the old iron, the hoe, the brush, everything. Good, solid history. Wow, there's even recipes here. Look at that. Recipes for Ital 2, recipe for rundown. Recipe for ackee and saltfish, recipe for steamed veg. All kind of stuff here. Oh, sorry. Who remember this? Who remember this old sieve? Alright. Shit pan man. The museum, guys. The museum. Guest book. Here's a guest book. I'm not gonna miss the opportunity to sign my name up there. See it there? See it there? Ah, nice. Well, what do you know? What do you know? I ran into, and still in the village, I ran into a group of gentlemen making juicing cane. The traditional way. One in a bath. Right? Ready? Some of that. Freshly squeezed, freshly squeezed, freshly squeezed. Freshly squeezed cane juice in the Accompong village. I ran into Beverly, guys. Beverly, I roast my favorite food. One of them at least roast
Yes.
Beverly, what's up? How you doing?
Alright, so far.
Yeah, you always come to the festival I told.
Yes.
As a what? A vendor?
Yes.
How long now?
Over 20 years now.
20 years?
Yeah.
Okay. And how has it changed? How has it grown? How different is
So
it?
far.
How is it different? Any different from the other
I
years?
don't see any different. It's alright. Same way.
Same way.
Yeah.
Hopefully you make your money and things work out for you.
Sometimes we don't make. Sometimes we don't make as much, but we give thanks for it.
Give thanks.
Yeah.
All right. Big up Beverly, you say?
Yeah.
Big up Beverly. All right. Eh? Find one. Okay. All right. Jerk chicken this, eh? Jerk chicken, guys. Yeah, man. Everything. Nice. It's a lunchtime, guys. Alright, guys, so over the main stage, apparently, this is where the official stuff takes place. This is where the speeches and all the presentations and so on takes place. But we won't be here for everything. I'll just do a snapshot to give you an essence of what is going to happen here or what is happening here. Alright? Right now, finally the Gerreh, the Gerreh is going on. The Mento. Anyway, this is the famous Beach and Spring Band. If you can't take you, don't you are you you live in the gospel, don't this man not got no chance in the room. I dance with it. I'm going to nobody for holy. Yeah. 286 years, according to Dahlia Harris. She's on stage. She's on stage now, hosting the evening segment, guys.
Welcome home. Welcome home. Clap them for me now. Yes, man. Welcome home.
Ceremonial blowing of the Abeng, guys.
Respect and honor. Respect and honor. Thank you very much, Mr. Rowe.
Intriguing stuff. The Accompong Maroon Festival. And just before I close the highlights, I thought it fitting that I would share this with you guys. At least the first paragraph of the Maroon Treaty between Captain Codjoe and the crew and the British. Right? Interesting. Look at that. It says, whereas Captain Codjoe, Captain Accompong, Captain Johnny, Captain Coffee, Captain Pork and several other Negroes, their dependents and adherents have been in a state of war and hostility for several years, passed against our sovereign Lord and King and the inhabitants of this island. And whereas peace and friendship among mankind and the preventing of effusion of blood is agreeable to God, consonant to his reason and desired by every good man. And whereas HPS Majesty, the George II, King of Britain, France and Ireland of Jamaica, has by his letters patent dated February 24, 1738, in the 12th year of his reign, granted full power and authority to John Guthrie and Francis Sadler, Esquires, to negotiate and finally conclude a treaty of peace and friendship with the aforesaid Captain Codjoe. The rest of his captains, adherents, and other of his men, they mutually, sincerely, amicably have agreed to the following articles. And these are 15 articles, 15 conditions. The first one, of course, that all hostilities just cease forever. Interesting. 15-point agreement. There it is. There it is. The Maroon Peace Treaty. Wow, the Accompong Maroon Festival, history, culture, food, family, friendship, so much. Man, what jumped out at you? I'm curious. Drop it in the comment. Drop it in the comment. I would love to hear. And if you appreciate this feature as much as I do, I need you to go to the comment again and put free for me. Free right now. Free. The Maroons were really the first true free people of this nation. I want to salute them. Salute. There's another video you need to see. It's a little bit aged, a little bit amateur, but I think you'll love it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. It's about the Charleston Maroons. Make sure you see it. See you in that one.